Hello friends, today we look into some natural or organic remedies to control or get rid of greenhouse millipedes or garden millipedes in your potting mix and also elsewhere in your garden. We'll also learn whether these are poisonous and also some chemical pesticides that can kill these pests in your home and garden. Coming up. Before we start, please make sure you have subscribed to our channel along with the bell notification. Well, the greenhouse millipede, also known as the hothouse millipede, short-flange millipede or the garden millipede, is a common creepy pest in your garden that can cause severe damage to emergent vegetable seedlings and young plants. How do I identify these millipedes? There are a few types of these millipedes with hundreds of legs and can be white or brown or black in color. Unlike their cousin, the centipede, millipedes are not carnivorous. Instead, they eat dead and rotting vegetation and hide in moist places like your soil mulch layer, debris, or inside the top layer of your soil. They prefer darkness and moisture, and hence they are more common in rainy season. Are millipedes poisonous or venomous? Do not be too scared. Millipedes, unlike centipedes, are not venomous and are generally considered to be non-poisonous. However, there are some millipede species that release some fluids that can cause irritation to human skin. Hence, it's always better to wear garden gloves and employ safety precautions. How do I kill or get rid of these garden pests? There are many solutions to control millipedes. We list out these one by one in 5 steps. On number 5, visible millipedes can be smashed or can be swept with a broom or even a vacuum cleaner and then can be later disposed. But this is difficult because most of these are not visible and are found hiding under the soil or the mulch layer. On number 4, sticky traps and light traps. These are another option that can attract and trap these millipedes, but these are not available easily. On number 3, chemical pesticides. We'll just name these pesticides because we'll not use any chemicals in our garden, especially vegetable gardening. The chemical pesticides that work are propoxur, cyfluthrin, pyrethrins, piperonyl butoxide, deltamethrin, cypermethrin, bifenthrin, etc. Then on number 2, chicken and cats. Before we proceed to our natural remedies, we'll discuss on chicken. Chicken love to eat these type of insects and pests. Keeping a few hens can do wonders to get rid of these millipedes and even other pests in your garden. Cats, though they do not eat millipedes, they may chase them, play with them and smash them to some extent. Then on number 1, natural and organic pesticides. The mechanism of action of any pesticide, whether organic or inorganic, is either by systemic effect, that is actually slow in action, and by effect of contact poison, that is which kills the pests when they come in contact with it. Diatomaceous earth is the first in the list. This white powder is easily available at many garden stores and even online. It is completely harmless to humans and pets. Then the next one is borax. Similar to diatomaceous earth, borax is derived from boric acid and dries the millipedes out and kills them. It also acts as a stomach poison which will kill millipedes if ingested. It is completely safe to humans. Just sprinkle the boric acid over the areas of infestation and do not water it for at least 24 hours. You can watch a detailed video on boric acid or the borax powder and its various benefits in your garden from a link at the end screen of this video and also in the description below. Then finally, wood ash. The action is similar to borax powder which dries out the soil and the pests. I have a detailed video on the benefits of wood ash in gardening. You can check that all the related videos in the description below. So there you have it folks. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also comment below with your thoughts and queries. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. Happy gardening.